Hey you guys, welcome back to another sewing video brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. Alright you guys, in today's video we are going to be making a kimono, alright, that looks like this. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright you guys, here's what we are going to need. An oversized t-shirt, fabric of your choice, scissors, and any marking tool. Fold your fabric in half. Turn the fold of the fabric so it's facing up, and then fold your fabric again. Fold your t-shirt in half. Place the fold of your t-shirt along the fold of the fabric. Use your marking tool to trace around the outside of your t-shirt. Cut out your pattern. You should end up with a T shape. Here I am just labeling the front and the back of the pattern. So here's the front and here's the back. Use your marking tool to create a triangle at the top of the fold. So each line of the triangle should meet in the center of your kimono. Draw a line down the center of your pattern. Only on the front, cut the center line toward the triangle. Make sure it is only on the front of the fabric. Then cut out the triangle. Sew or glue down the sides. It looks like an upside down L, so make sure you sew or glue it down. Alright, now let's make it together. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.